Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate text in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up your CapCut application and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. First, open the text menu, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you can add a new text box if you don't have any, or if you already have your text box, just select it. And we have a few options, a few ways to rotate a text. First, the one is on the right side on the bottom of the screen by tapping on Basics. Then moving to Rotate, and as you can see with this menu we can rotate our text. But you can also do the same thing by tapping on your video on the screen and grabbing your text from the bottom right corner, and you can rotate it with your finger just like this. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.